Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look together how to solve this license error in SolidWorks. As you can see, we go to the Windows C and then we search the SolidWorks FlexNet 7. As you can see, and you have to remove it. First remove it and run it as an administrator, and press N key to continue. Press N key to continue, so you remove it safely. Then you install it again. Install it again in that way. Run it as an administrator. And remember to press N key as the instruction said. And then let's run it and see what happened. Let us wait. Yeah, and as you can see, it is now done. So don't forget to hit subscribe, share and comment. I love you so much.